Hi everyone, it's Derek here with GamerBody, and in this video I'm doing a review on the Perfect Fitness Ab Carver Pro. So let's jump right into the review. Alright, so a quick overview of the Perfect Fitness Ab Carver Pro. It is an ab roller that you can use at home or in a gym in order to develop your core strength. By using the Ab Carver Pro, it requires that your abs and core engage in order to roll out and back without losing balance. So you're going to be balancing on this ball as it rolls out and back in order to stabilize and grow strength in your core. The ab roller is one of my favorite exercises to do because it's a lot of fun, and also it's easy to progress by either adding on like a backpack, weighted vest, or even just going side to side to changing your balance in order to develop more core stability. Alright, so let's quickly go over the setup for the Perfect Fitness Ab Carver Pro, and that is that it has 3 pieces of equipment, no extra screws, so this is really easy, and you can set it up in as little as 30 seconds. All you gotta do is you gotta take the main wheel and connect 2 separate handles labeled right and left with R and L into the ab roller wheel to get going. This is pretty simple because all you have to do is press down on the locking mechanism, slide on the handle, and make sure that the mechanism you press down lines up with the hole and then locks into place for each side. Once you do that, it's all ready to go. So a quick price breakdown for the Perfect Fitness Ab Carver Pro. I bought this back on March 26, 2016, so I've actually had this for over 2 years, and I purchased it for $26.67 at the time. So it's still a little over $20, I believe, maybe even $30 now, because it's pretty popular, but because it's under $30 and for what this is actually a really good price, and I'll go over that in my pro and cons list. But just know that I got this over 2 years ago and I'm still using it today. So let's quickly jump into my pro and cons list for the Perfect Fitness Ab Carver Pro. So to start off, I kind of went over this already, but durability. So again, I bought this back in March of 2016, so that's over 2 years ago from making this video, and I actually used the Ab Carver Pro this morning in order to do my ab training. So I'm still using it today. I've never had to have it fixed. I've never returned it, never done anything like that. This is the same one I bought those 2 years ago, and I'm still using it even now. So I still love this, and it is the best of the best ab roller that you can buy on the market for durability. The next pro is that it is extremely easy to set up. Again, coming in with only 3 pieces that interlock together with no extra screws or anything is amazing. There's so many pieces of equipment that I've purchased for my fitness that have other screws and take like 5 to 10 minutes, if not longer, to put together. This one's literally 30 seconds or less and you're ready to go. Number 3, it is cheap. So again, for something that's lasted me 2 years and I only paid less than $30, $26.67. That's pretty amazing. If I can buy anything that lasts me 2 years for $30, that's pretty rare. So something that's fitness related that lasts me over 2 years is absolutely amazing. And yes, I do use this device all of the time. My last pro is that the device actually provides a little bit of support. So if you're newer, it's a little bit of support, but not enough where it feels like it's really easy for me. So I really try to challenge myself in all my workouts. So it does provide a little bit of support in terms of me getting it done, but again, not enough where I find that's really easy, and I can always make it a little harder by maybe going at an angle or something like that, or even using it from my feet instead of my knees. Alright, now let's quickly cover my cons for the Perfect Fitness Ab Carver Pro. So number 1, the spring inside can stop you a little early when you're coming back sometimes. I've noticed that I can start it at my knees when I leave, but sometimes the spring coming back to protect it from breaking, which is a good thing, will actually stop you what I feel like a little bit early. So I wish it went maybe like an inch or 2 more back as you came backwards towards your knees. Now, if you're using this right, it really should never lock out, but occasionally I did feel like it stopped me a little early, so that's only one con that I have. And then a second con, I kind of covered this in the Pro, but the wheel is pretty big, so it does make it a little easier for you. So if you're looking for something that's like really, really hard, you're going to buy a thinner wheeled ab roller so that it makes it so there's less stability and your core has to work a little more in order to do the exercise. So if you're really, really advanced, maybe this one isn't for you, but for me it still worked for years, and I've just changed it up, made things a little harder by again standing on my feet when doing it or going side to side to remove that stability to get the workout done. But again, it is a con maybe if you are more advanced in your training. Alright, and to round things out, would I buy this again? Yes, I would 100% buy the Perfect Fitness Ab Carver Pro again for the full price of $30, if not more. Again, this thing is super simple to put together. I really have no problems with it, like only 2 cons that are pretty minor cons themselves. So it pretty much checks off all the boxes for me buying this again in the future, even if it did break. If it broke right now, I would go and buy one on Amazon right away because it's just that good. Alright, and that is it for the Perfect Fitness Ab Carver Pro. I really hope you liked this review, and if you did, please like and subscribe to this channel for more reviews just like this one. If you have any comments or questions, please leave them in the comment section below, and I'll gladly get back to you. And I hope to see you guys in the next video. Have a great day, everybody. Be fit and game on.